Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and now I bring you a cool gadget from the top brand, HTC VIVE floor. So this is the latest gadget, and it's a AR smart glass, and it can connect to the HTC device, HTC smartphones, and also when you use this, you get immersive experience. You can use it to play games, to watch videos, and also you can use it to do the special business or some other needs. And we will have a very quick unboxing video of this gadget from HTC, and we will also talk on the specifications and the main features about this AR smart glass, the VIVE floor from HTC. And now let's unbox it. And as we can see, it's a very simple design, and the box is covered by a white paper like this, and it's a very simple design. And as we can see, we can find some basic information, product information, model name on the paper, and also the name. So let's put it aside, and then let's check what's inside the box. So it's easy to open it. Yes, open it like this, and it's have a very environment friendly material box, and it's very simple, not like other electronic products. They use black or white, but these have the very raw material, and the feelings are very environment friendly. And also, after we open it, we can find here are some instructions for us to use this smart glass. And here we find that the smart glass is just protected by a soft plastic bag. Okay, let's put it here. And also, before we check the smart glass, here I think these are the accessories. This is the nose rest. Yes, nose rest. Okay, check other accessories on the one. Also, here is this is the cable, Type C to Type C cable. And here is it's a cloth to clean the lens and the glass. It's a bag. I think it's a microfiber punch. You can put the glass in this bag. And this here is the user manual. Safety instructions and guide here. Warranty guide. So this is all the stuff inside this box. Let's put it aside. And also these papers, let's put it aside as well. So here are the main stuff inside this box. Type C to Type C cable, no storage set, and here is the VIVE floor. It's the smart glass. It's compared to other AR devices. It's much smaller than our device. And the main factor is that most of the other AR glasses or devices, they put the big battery inside the glass, so it will have a big size. But here, this time for the VIVE floor, we will use this and through the Type-C cable, and then here it will connect to the power bank, so it will provide the battery for this AR glass. And for the AR glass, it's have only 700 small batteries inside, and also because it have not built-in battery, so it's very light, and it's only have 189 grams. The weight is very light, so it's nice. And as we can see here, okay, so here it's our stereo. Well, here, yes, it's have a stereo speakers, and also from the offshore website, we know that for the glass is a 3.2K display resolution glass, and also the angle is reached 100 wide angle when you use this. As we can see, also we can adjust the lens here to get the different to focus and get the clean. And yes, we can adjust it. You can see, adjust it to get the best experience here. Yes, yeah, we can just left and right to adjust it. It's very useful. And also I think for this nose rest is here. You see it here. Yes, here, like this. So it's very nice and very small size. You can see, yes, small size compared to other AR glasses. And also this time, this device have a Qualcomm XR processor. It's much higher than the other AR glasses. And also this time for the battery, even though it's only have 700 batteries, but for the standby time, it can reach to 30 hours. So it's also amazing. And this time they for the not only for the processor to provide a good processor, but also for another big features about this is they provide the amazing display resolution. Is also support 35 Hz refresh rate, and also we can adjust physically to get better video or watching experience through this. Also another, I think I missed another. If you want to use this, you need to download the application from the offshore website, vivo.com setup flow, and you can use this app to control this device as a controller, to make your smartphone as a controller. So it's really nice when you can no need to another controller. So it's for this part is very good. You just need Word via glass, and you don't need other controller. You just make this connect to your smartphone through Bluetooth, and then unlock the smartphone, and then make your 2 fingers long press the screen, and then you can control the video flow through your smartphone. So it's very convenient for this device, and for the users, for the customers. Yes, you can get the controller instructions through the applications, and also for the some gamings. If you use this, you get the smartphone to control it, you can get very good gaming experience as well. And also when you use this, and when it connect to your smartphone, you can watch and you can view the files or the audios or the films through this glass, and get very good experience to watch the content on your smartphone. So this is also very nice. Another advantage when we use the smart glass, air glass, to get a sharp view. It's very good. Yeah, so this, I think, for the there's some the metaverse is very popular now in the world, and I think HTC they are developing some devices like this, to developing maybe to to exploring the metaverse in the future. So I think they will provide more devices like this when now, and when the metaverse is really entered the life and popular, we can use their devices to explain the virtual world through devices like this. It's very nice. And also the HTC they developed the metaverse smartphone, HTC design 22 Pro, I think, yes. So it's also can connect to that device, so to experience the exploring the metaverse functions. So it's also very nice for them to really do something to make the metaverse close to our daily life. Yeah, so this is a very quick and very simple unbox video on this cool gadget from HTC VIVE Flow. So if you want to exploring, and if you want to test the device, you can also you can find the more specifications the official website. You can buy one to test it. So this is today's main content about these devices. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. And thanks. Bye bye. Cool.